Sun's out, fun's out.
While basking on this mild winter day.
The sun slows stuff down because it's nice.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I know.
Really good.
And gawking at this guy.
See, that just looks super cold. I mean, it's like really windy out there.
This group prepares to plunge.
Ice swimming is a self-induced hypothermic sport.
A sport that requires swimming long distances in water colder than 41 degrees. Melissa Kegler briefly held the U.S. record for distance in 2022. And she's now training to claim that record again.
I get hypothermia every time I do it, but it's intentional, and you kind of train yourself to understand how your body reacts to hypothermia. So it's in a really controlled manner. I would say hearing myself say that kind of makes me sound crazy.
To get her body used to it, she seeks out bodies of cold water, which is never an issue in the winter.
I call it chasing the cold around Washington. I'll go and intentionally train at certain spots around Washington to prepare for ice swimming.
Here at Alki, the scenery is what draws them to train.
Oh, Seal!
Hi, buddy.
Hey, buddy! Hi, guy! Oh my gosh, he's gonna come over.
Even though it's about 7 degrees warmer than the 41-degree criteria.
Melissa, it's really warm today.
Is it?
This helps build that endurance for the coldest water.
It's been a long time since we've been down here yonder at really low tide like this.
Something that for the first time in her more than decade-long ice swimming career, Melissa can't find here.
I think that's the frustrating part, is I've been like subjecting myself to hypothermia for a year and a half. For Mother Nature to take my starting line away. Too warm, doesn't work.
And the data supports that.
This winter's been warmer than most winters that we've been able to record so far.
Dakota Mascarenas is a University of Washington PhD candidate studying estuaries like Puget Sound. She says records show long-term Puget Sound temperatures increase by about 3 degrees every 100 years. But this winter's anomaly is almost that drastic.
It's 2 degrees warmer this year than the mean of the last 20 years.
That's significant.
Yeah, it is. It is actually significant. It is statistically significant as well as a big deal for the region.
It's partially because of the warmer winter season, but also beyond that, a warming Pacific Ocean that feeds the sound.
Yeah, it's definitely a big domino effect. If the ocean's getting warmer and the air is getting warmer, then the water is definitely going to get warmer in Puget Sound.
Hey, buddy!
And that domino continues to everything living underneath.
How's that guy?
Like critters Melissa has an up-close view of while training, a draw for this sport.
It's amazing because you kind of think of the water as just, a body of water, but it's so alive when you go in it. There could be orcas out there.
While she waits to find a waterway cold enough to compete,
It's a good day for some orcas.
she trains wherever she can,
Okay, we can do it.
hoping for the sake of everyone,
That's probably my mantra. We can do it.
things will cool down.
My goals change, but right now, as any athlete would want, they just want the opportunity to try.
For Environment Northwest, I'm meteorologist Leah Pizzetti.
And Melissa has tried to find any water on the West Coast cold enough so she can set the record again. She was hoping for Colorado, but their warm winter made that impossible. So she's now hoping for either Lake Tahoe or Lake Coeur d'Alene.